Hello. We're going to quickly demonstrate some of the neat search functionality at the my.sima.org space. So my.sima.org is housing all of your membership benefits like downloadable templates, production rates. It's also where we house our glossary of terms. And over time, there's going to be more communities and resources that will be available to you. For example, if you attend the Snow and Ice Symposium every year, there'll be a closed community that all attendees can access that have all the PowerPoint presentations and resources that are available at the show in one location. So finding stuff becomes very important. Now there's a lot of linkage on the landing page, my.sima.org's homepage, to link you to different contract templates and downloads and things like that. But maybe you want to try searching by topic, for example. So I'm going to just demonstrate very briefly one popular thing. Just the term contract. We have template contracts. There's also glossary terms that are tied to contracts as well. So you see in the MySIMA search up at the top, I just typed in contract. You can see that search item here. And a couple things. First, I see a number of items come up. I can see what type it is by looking at this gray box here. So if it's a library entry, that probably means it's a file in a community or a library in at my.sima.org that someone's added, probably a staff person that you should be able to access. So right here, if I was looking for our SIMA's template contracts, they come up first thing. Seasonal contract, an optional one, the per visit, our advanced contract clauses, all the stuff that you would find in our downloads comes up pretty quickly. On top of that, you'll see there's actually quite a bit of results here. You can link to the template contracts and forms section of the library. And you could get to a bunch of other stuff. Our best practices in snow service procurement, for example, mentions contracts as well. Different document, different area, the download center, but very easily surfaced here. So very neat to find. The other thing you might notice is some of these results are glossary terms. So you'll find glossary terms in your search as well. Now, say you just wanted to search for user content or library documents, you could specify that over here in category. Then that's excluding anything in communities or anything in the glossary. Or say you just wanted to look at the glossary terms that that show contract in them. So you can see there's 4 in our current glossary. Glossary is available here in full as well, and you can search that and by different terms and topics and categories. A couple other quick things. There's also tags in the system. SIMA staff will be tagging things by broader items. So there's an estimating and fee structure term in the glossary. So if you just wanted to see items that have contract in the title that also are estimating and fee structure terms, you would check that. If you just wanted to see estimating and fee structures, you can simply search for anything located there. Now, you'll see in mine, I'm a part of a community that pulls a bunch of other stuff into it. It's a private community. So some of you may have those, some of you may not, depending on what events you attend and over time where you volunteer, but it will search across all that information. So the search feature at mysima.org is very robust and could be a very useful tool in accessing your benefits and getting the resources you need. Thank you.